And go.
Hi guys, welcome to our food preservation series. So we have a giant box of Joe's O's, which is a generic version of Cheerios. And we don't eat these. So we're going to turn them into something that we do eat. And this is a shocker, but you can make flour out of Cheerios. And that's what we're going to do today, and we are going to use a recipe that we found to make some brownies. And my little assistant granddaughter here is going to help. So, Allie, what are we going to do with these Cheerios?
Make some flour.
Yes. And first of all, we're going to grind it up and turn it into the flour. One more time. Alright, and we'll just put that in that dry ingredient bowl so that we can put it in later. Yeah, put it in there. Yeah, hold it. There you go. Set that aside. Alright, so we made some flour last night and we portioned ours into 2-cup versions. You can seal it however you want. We used a vacuum sealed bag. I think that's what it's called, where you suck all the air out. So, but it's very convenient for whenever you want to make something on the fly. Some more shell in there. She don't season food. Okay, so it calls for 3 teaspoons of vanilla. I like vanilla, so we're getting to do a tablespoon. And Allie, do you want to add the oil?
Yes.
Very, very careful. All right, now the sugar. Alright, good job. Mix this up. Alright, go ahead and add the rest of the dry ingredients.
Yes.
Yes. And can you do it?
Yeah.
Hold it from the bottom. Do we have enough chocolate chips still in there? You didn't eat them all, did you?
No.
Here, you want to mix it?
Yeah.
Okay, mix it up. Real good, make it nice and smooth. Is it getting too tough?
No.
You sure? You use both hands if you need. There you go. Make sure you get the sides.
Smells like brownies.
Mm-hmm. Think it's gonna be good?
Yeah.
Alright. We're gonna have to do the taste test. Can you hand me that pan, please? Alright, so now we're going to put it in our pre-greased pan and cook it on 350. And do a toothpick test to ensure it's done. Very thick. It's a lot thicker than most brownies so far. Whack it with my hand. Is it good? Think it's gonna be better after it's cooked?
Mm-hmm.
Tastes like a brownie. Alright, and then we will stick that in the oven and cook it until it's done. I'll set the timer and we're not going to make you sit and wait through the video. I'll be right back. Okay, so our brownies are done, and now we are going to do our taste test and see if they taste like real brownies. Ready? Oh, my fault. What do you think? Tell them. Is it good?
It's
Delicious good? Okay, so while Allie eats the rest of that, I want to tell you about this flour. It is completely gluten-free, and you can substitute it for any of your gluten-free recipes. And the price of it is comparable to if you went and bought a bag of flour, gluten-free flour.
For any recipe.
I'm going to put the recipe links in the video, and I also have another one that I'm going to add to it. I haven't tried it yet, but feel free to have at it. It is Cheerios, applesauce, muffins. That's what it was. Cheerios, applesauce muffins, which sound delicious, and the brownies are great. So I'm going to give it a try next. Your turn. What do you want to tell these people?
Thanks for watching.
Please like and subscribe. See you next time.